Hi, this is Andrew Grace with the first in a series of videos I'm calling Stupid Shit Techs Do to Destroy Your Pest and Landscape Equipment. A couple of comments. One, if the title offends you, don't watch it. Number two, if you're interested in learning from the mistakes and issues of others' equipment, I think this will be valuable. We're going to share some actual examples, some photos to show you ways that you can reduce problems, reduce repair expense, reduce downtime, and extend the life of your equipment. I hope you find it valuable. Today we're going to talk about Birchmeier backpacks. And at Quality Equipment and Spray, qspray.com, we love Birchmeier backpacks. We're one of their largest distributors in the country. We are the only company in the country that stocks every part to these backpacks. So we support this product. We love this product. And with a little care and maintenance, this product will last you many, many years. So a couple of years ago, we sold a backpack to a customer. And a couple of days later, he called up and said, "That backpack you sold me is no good. It's too hard to pump. It's a problem. I want it warranted. You guys sold me a piece of junk." We said, "Well, bring it in. We'll take care of it. We stand behind our stuff." Even though we knew that generally most new Birchmeiers do not have a problem. It was probably a user error, but we want to stand behind it. So we told him to come in. He said, "I'm too busy now." He called us a couple days later. "Hey, this thing is really bad. You guys sold me a backpack that's a problem. I want it replaced." We said, "Come on in. We'll take a look at it." So we brought it in and we took a look at it, and what did we find? We pulled the pump off the back, and this is what we saw. And I'll put an arrow on it so you can see a little more closely. What that is the rubber washer from a garden hose. So when this guy was filling up his backpack with a garden hose, he allowed the rubber washer to fall into the tank. And rather than solve the problem immediately, he kept pumping it and forced that rubber washer through the pickup tube in the tank and into the divide. This is the divider between the tank and the pump, and that was what was causing his problem. And he's lucky it didn't cause worse damage. I'm actually surprised it didn't damage the backpack. We took this piece out and it was fine. But clearly, this gentleman was not careful enough with his backpack and could have caused severe damage. So what are some of the key learnings from this? Number one, obviously be aware when you're filling your backpack. The most common thing we actually find in backpacks is the little paper washer from inside the cap that falls. The techs let that fall into the backpack or the B&G or the power spray or whatever it is. So be careful when you're filling your backpack so that debris doesn't get in there. Number two, regularly clean out your backpacks. Number three, if you have a company with techs, you've got to train and retrain your technicians. Don't assume because you told them what to do on day one that they're doing what you want them to do. Don't assume because they work for someone else they're doing it the way you want them to do it. You got to train them and retrain them. The next one is really important, and it was an example in this case. This guy had a problem, and he kept using it. He kept pumping the backpack and forced that rubber gasket all the way through the system, and he's lucky he didn't do some serious damage. So make sure that if you or your techs have a problem or think there's a problem, they should report it. Don't force it. Don't keep using it. He could have done some serious damage to this backpack. And lastly, do your preventative maintenance. Don't ignore it. Once a year on a backpack like this, a Birchmeier backpack, you want to tear it down, clean it all, clean every part, replace all the soft parts, the replacement parts, replace the check valve, and you'll get a lot of long life and great service out of your backpack. So please, when you need Birchmeier backpacks or Birchmeier parts, please think of qspray.com. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this valuable. Have a great day.